The sun is rising.
Who is like the Lord, so faithful and true? Who is like the Lord that sees you? Who is like the Lord, so faithful and true? Who is like the Lord? He knows you. Oh, you know us so well. You know us so well. You know us so well, Jesus. Yeah, we receive your love tonight. Your presence is filling the room. Even more, even more. With arms wide open, we receive. With hearts wide open, we receive. With eyes beholding, we receive. We receive.
The only reason I was there is because of what he had done. The next words that came out of my mouth were thank you, 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 thank you. No one had to tell me to say thank you. No one had to tell me to raise my hand. No one had to tell me to give him praise. You want to know something? Your spirit always wants to praise the Lord. It's your flesh that doesn't want to do it. When you go into a place and say, I'm just so tired, your spirit says, I want to praise. The flesh says, I'm tired, I worked too hard today. But I'm telling you, your spirit, that which is on the inside of your flesh, that is really you, always wants to praise the Lord. So here I am, I'm giving him thanks. And I look at his feet, and his feet love me. The feet of Jesus love me. The fullness of the love of God was coming through the feet of Jesus. His feet love me. Have you ever had anybody's feet love you? I've been tempted sometimes to tell you all to take your shoes off and show people your feet and see what they experience. So there will be a contrast between what I'm saying and what you're experiencing. I used to be a shoe salesman. I used to take off shoes on the lot. I learned how to hold my breath really well. And all the shoes I took off during that time, none of them loved me. Think about it. His feet loved me. The fullness of the love of God was coming through the feet of Jesus.
good to not believe. I just feel like the Lord is, tonight, we believe in your goodness. We believe in your love for us. we're not strong in our faith, Lord God. I thank you for your presence here. I thank you for touching hearts.